Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to integrate Nexus Repository to the Jenkins pipeline. So first of all, go to the Nexus Repository, go to Settings, click on Repositories, click on Create Repository. Here select Maven to Hosted. Now give the name for your repository. I'll give the name as Netflix because I am uploading the artifact of a Netflix clone application. So I'll give it like that. Now click on Create Repository. As you can see, the repository is created. Now go to the Jenkins dashboard. Here you have to download a plugin called Nexus Artifact Uploader. I already installed it. I'll just show you. You can see this Nexus Artifact Uploader. So download this plugin. After that, go to dashboard. I'll create a new item for this. I'll give the name as Netflix. Select the pipeline and click on OK. Here I'll configure the pipeline. So I have a pipeline code already here. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. As you can see, in the first stage, the code will be taken from this repository URL. Here in this stage, it will be built. Here it will be tested, and here it will be artifacted. So to upload the artifact, you have to give another stage here. So I'll give it here. So here you can click on pipeline syntax. Here select, you can see here this Nexus Artifact Uploader. Select this one. Give the details. Nexus 3. I have to give you a Nexus URL here. Let's select it. Remove this HTTP also. Here in the credentials, I already gave, but I'll show you once. Here click on add, click on Jenkins. Here you have to select username with password. You have to give the username and password of your Nexus repository and give ID and description as Nexus and click on add. After that, you can see the option here like this. So click on that. Now in the name of group ID, you have to give the group ID of the code. I'll just go now. Go to the pom.xml. Here you can see the group ID and artifact ID and the version. So here the group ID is in.ram. I'll give it that. So the version is 1.2.2. I'll check once. Yes. And the artifact ID is Netflix. Here repository. the name of the repository. You have to give the name of the repository which you gave in the Nexus repository. So I gave it as Netflix. So click on here in the artifact section, click on add. The artifact ID is Netflix, type is .var, classifier nothing. In the place of file, I'll select the file here, which is target Netflix 1.2.2 and .var. Here, if you click on generate pipeline script, you will get the script here. So just copy and go to the pipeline and paste it here. So everything is configured now. So click on save. Here now click on build now. As you can see, checkout, build, test, artifact and artifact upload is done. So if you want to download the uploaded artifact, go for console output. Here scroll down. You can see here uploaded. So you can see a link here. If you click on that link, you can see the .var file is uploading. I'll just cancel it. If you want to check in the Nexus repository website, so here the repositories, this is the repository I gave. So click on that. You can see a link here. Just copy that link, paste it in the browser. You can see here, click on HTML index, click on IN, click on the name, click on Netflix, click on the version. As you can see, the .var file, if you click on that, the .var file will be downloaded. So this is how to integrate Nexus repository with Jenkins Pipeline. So thank you.